Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. If you're looking to upgrade your glass block windows in your bathroom, you want to know what some of the best replacement options are and how they will elevate your space. So in this video, we're going to dive into why replacing glass block windows in your bathroom can be beneficial and explore the best window alternatives that offer both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Then you'll be able to understand how replacing your glass block windows will elevate your bathroom, home, and lifestyle. So let's talk about it. What are 3 of the best types of windows used to replace glass block windows? Number 1, sliding windows. Sliding windows are a popular choice for bathroom renovations. They operate by sliding horizontally with one panel moving alongside another. Sliding windows allow for customizable ventilation, letting you control the air entering your bathroom. This allows you to air out your bathroom when taking hot showers, preventing moisture buildup and possible mold growth. When it comes to privacy, frosted or textured glass options for sliding windows ensure that you can enjoy a natural light without compromising on seclusion. These glass options scatter the light, providing a soft glow that illuminates your bathroom while keeping any eyes out. Number 2, casement windows. Casement windows are hinged at the sides and open outward, operated by a cranking mechanism. They can be installed as single units or in pairs, which is called a double casement. These windows are ideal for bathrooms due to their excellent ventilation capabilities. You can fully open a casement window to allow fresh air to circulate, helping to reduce moisture and humidity, a common concern in bathrooms. For privacy, casement windows can also be fitted with privacy glass. The benefit of casement windows is that even with privacy glass, they do not restrict your view outside, allowing you to enjoy the outdoor scenery or keep an eye on your backyard while maintaining your privacy. Number 3, awning windows. Awning windows are top hinged and open outwardly, creating an awning-like effect. Similar to casement windows, they can be simply cracked open, allowing air to ventilate from the bottom, or can be fully opened, giving you a full view of the outside. They are perfect for bathrooms located on the ground floor or facing public areas, as they provide a high level of privacy and security. Even when open, the outward projection of the window shields the interior from outside view. For these windows, privacy glass options like frosted pattern or tinted glass can enhance both the style and privacy of your bathroom. So which is best for you? Siding, casement, and awning windows are a great solution for bathrooms because of their ease of operation, custom ventilation abilities, and options for privacy glass to keep you safe and secure. But these aren't the only window choices available to you. Finding the right replacement windows for you all depends on your wants, goals, and needs for your windows and your home. If you are more concerned with ventilation and opening your windows, choosing an operable window type will allow you to open up your space and provide you with the benefits you need. But if you want a simpler style and don't need operable window in place of your glass block windows, perhaps a simple picture window with privacy glass will fit your style better. No matter your choice, it's important to remember that the decision is up to you. Working with a professional window replacement company will help you understand your options and guide you to the right choice. But when searching for the right company to work with, it's important to know what to look for and what questions to ask to find a trustworthy contractor. To help you out, check out the video linked above that outlines 6 questions to ask a window replacement contractor during a consultation. Then you will understand how to spot a trustworthy and untrustworthy contractor and find the right one that provides you with a successful project. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to.